Hello, gentlemen outside there watching my YouTube channel. Today, I welcome you all to my page. Today, we want to evaluate this very nice short form of having the fourth root. So this is very simple, but if you are just coming to my YouTube channel, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Okay, let's start. So we have a nice question like this. So the first thing to do is we rewrite it and we let everything raised to power of 1 over 2. As in, we do the splitting. We firstly write 56 minus 25 root 5. Then we let everything raised to power 1 over 2. All right. So after we have done this, so the next thing is by solving the one with the root separately. All right. So let the root of 56 minus 25 root 5 equals to, so we let it to any alphabet. So I'm choosing x minus root 5 because there is negative in the question. That's why I use negative. If it is positive, we use positive. All right. So the next thing is by eliminating the root at this side. So we take the square of both sides. So here we have 56 minus 24 root 5 equals to the root of x minus the root of y all square. All right. So 56 minus 24 the root of 5 equals to, let's expand this. We have root x minus root y bracket, open bracket, root x minus root y. So here we have 56 minus 24 root 5 equals to root x multiplied by root x, that is x, right? Root x multiplied by minus root y, that is root of xy. And minus this, we have minus root of xy as well, and plus y. So if you have the same root of xy, so you take the square, you take only one x. So here we have x plus y by grouping minus 2 root of xy. So the next thing is by doing the comparison. So we are going to do comparison. So by comparing this, x plus y will be equals to 56. So because those are the likely to combine, equals to 56. And the second one, which is minus 2 root of xy, equals to minus 24 root of 5. So they are looking the same, the root of 5. Okay, let's deal with the second one here. So minus, we cancel minus, and we're having 2 uh 2 root of xy. We take the square of it, equals to 24 root of 5. So we want to have consistency. That's why I'm eliminating the square root. But if you have from this law of sort or indices, root of x, a root of x, so all square, a will take its own square, and the root of x will also take its own square. So root will cancel square root, their enemy. Then we have a square multiplied by x. By applying it here, so we have 4 multiplied by, if this cancel, we have xy equals to 24 square multiplied by 5. So this multiplied by d, that is 4xy equals to, and 24 square, that is 576 multiplied by 5. All right, so we have 4xy. The 4xy equals to, multiply this, we have 2880. So I'm going to start this because I will need it in future, so I don't want to divide. Okay, but you have x minus y all square So this thing can also be x plus y all square minus 4xy. So these two are the same. They are the same. So if you expand this left hand side, it will be equals to the right hand side. All right. So, but we have x plus y, which is 56. I'm going to put it in this expression I just written now. So we have x minus y square equals to x plus y square, that is 56 square minus 4xy. All right. But here the x minus y all square equals to 56 square, that is 3130. And here is, sorry, I have used 4 above before, because 4xy equals to 2880, so I don't need 4 here again. Minus 2880, and then x minus y all square equals to, subtracting this we have 256 if you press your calculator, and x minus y equals to 16 by taking the square root of both sides. So I want to make x minus y the subject. So let's call this one equation 1, and let's bring x plus y equals to 56 from above and call this one equation 2. And let's solve this simultaneously. By solving this, y and minus y will cancel. We have 2x equals to 16 plus 56, that is 72. All right, x equals to 36. By dividing both sides by 2, we have this x equals to 36. And let's find the value of y as well. So I can take any equation, but I'm going with equation 1. X minus y equals to 6. Then we have x is 36 minus y, that is 16. And collecting the like time, y equals to 36 minus 16, and y equals to 20. All right. So since y and x have been gotten, so let's back to the real question, which is what we have as the root of 56 minus 24, the root of 5, equals to the root of 36 minus the root of 20. Alright, from this sort, if you have square root of 20, I can split it to be root 4 multiplied by root 5. And square root of 4 is 2, right? So we are going to have 2 root 5. And by taking it here, square root of 36 is perfect square. We have 6 minus 2 root 5. So, which means that 56 minus 2 root 5 all square equals to this, right? Okay, so here is the first case. Let's see the second case. If you have uh, the root of 56 minus 24, the root of 5, all raised to power over 2 from the above highlight, so equals to uh 25, 6 minus 25. So I'm letting all this one to be root as well. So here we have 56 minus 24 root 5, root equals to the square root of 6 minus 2 root 5. So I want to deal with this square root of 6 minus 2 root 5 separately by applying the same method above. So we are going to have the root of 6 minus 2 root 5 equals to, let this one to be square root of a minus the square root of b. So, and let's take the square of both sides as we did above. We have 6 minus 2 root 5 equals to, then we have root of a minus root of b all square. So we have 6 minus 2 root 5 equals to, by expanding this, we are going to have root a minus root b, or and root a plus minus root b. 6 minus 2 root 5 equals to root a times root a, that is a, minus 2 root ab, we have done this earlier, plus b. So by doing the comparison, we have a plus b equals to 6. Let's call this one 1. And minus 2 root ab equals to minus 2 root 5. This cancel, we have 2 root ab all square equals to 2. Just to eliminate the square root, that's why I take the square. We have 4ab equals to 4 multiplied by 5. And we have 4ab equals to 20. Okay, I'll just leave this one like this, so because I will need it in future. Also, if you have from the assumption I use above as well, if you have a minus b all square equals to a plus b all square minus 4ab. Applying the same method, a plus b is equals to 6, right? From the equation 1, that is 6 square minus, and 4ab is 20, right? And we have 6 square equals to 36 minus 20. 36 minus 20, that is equivalent to 16. A minus b square equals to 16. By taking the square of both sides, this cancel, we have a minus b equals to 4. I'm calling this one equation 2. So let's combine these two equations together. By combining it, we are going to have a plus b equals to 6, right? And cancelling these two, we have 2a equals to adding this, we have 10, and dividing both sides by 2, we have 5. So let's solve for b. You can take any equation of your choice, and I'm taking equation 1, which is a minus b equals to which is equals to, okay, let me take equation 1. Yeah, a plus b equals to 6. Then here we have 5 plus b equals to 6. And by solving but for b here, we are going to have this as b equals to 6 minus 5, which is 1. So we have gotten the value of a and the value of b. So we can say therefore a equals to 5 and b equals to 1. And let's back to the above, let's say from what we have here, which is square root of 6 minus 2 root 5 equals to the square root of a minus square root of b. But what is our a? Our a is 5 and b is 1. So the root of 5, we leave it like that. Square root of 1 is 1. Therefore, the root of the fourth root of 56 minus 24 root 5 equals to root 5 minus 1 by expansion. So this is a nice way of solving this question. It's very short. I don't want to be applying all the simultaneous by quadratic, and that's why I do it like this.